Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to find LinkedIn username. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open up LinkedIn. Once you launch the LinkedIn app, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to come to the profile page by typing your profile icon. Now you tap the three dots option here. Tap on Contact Info. You'll be able to see your profile link over here, and then right over here after linkedin.com is basically your username, including the number as well as the letters. This is a user ID profile URL. Now you can choose to change this profile URL to a custom one by just typing the pencil icon that you can find here. Then by just tapping on this profile URL option here, it will take you to this page where you can say Change ID. It says edit your custom URL. You can just tap the edit option here, tap on this URL option, and now what you can do is you can just drag it to this position and just make it a bit more easier by just crossing out those unnecessary letters and so on. So this way you can apply your custom LinkedIn URL, and this is how you can find your username. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.